Welcome. If you've ever blocked someone on Messenger and now want to reconnect, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unblock someone on Messenger with the most up-to-date steps so you can get back to chatting in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. You'll see your recent conversations right on the home screen. If you don't see the person you want to unblock, simply use the search bar at the top and type in their name. Once you find their chat, tap to open the conversation. Now, here's where it gets really simple. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice an option that says Unblock. Go ahead and tap on that. Messenger will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to reconnect with this person. Confirm your decision, and that's it. You've successfully unblocked them. Once unblocked, you and the other person can send messages, make calls, and share photos just like before. Keep in mind, unblocking someone doesn't automatically add them to your friends list if you weren't friends before, and it won't restore any messages that were deleted while they were blocked. But from this point forward, you're free to chat and interact as usual. If you ever change your mind, you can always block or unblock someone again by following these same steps. Messenger makes it easy to manage your connections, so you're always in control of who you communicate with. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with anything else on Messenger. See you in the next video.